Hello, good morning, student. We have start the topic social change. Change is the most permanent feature of any society. हमने पढ़ा था जैसे कि change जो है permanent feature है society का. Social change can be defined as transformation in the method of thinking and working of people. Social change को हम define कर सकते हैं transformation in the method of thinking and working. It is basically change in social structure and social relationship of a society. ये क्या है बेसिकली चेंज इन सोशल स्ट्रक्चर एंड सोशल रिलेशनशिप ऑफ सोसाइटी. ओके, एट द मोस्ट बेसिक लेवल social change refer to change that are significant and which alter the underlying structure of an object or situation over a period of time. Social change does not include any and all change but only big one change which transform things fundamentally. Social change occur due to physical भी हो सकते हैं, सोशल भी, और डेमोग्राफिक कल्चर एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल फैक्टर से भी सोशल चेंज हो सकते हैं. Population growth influences adversely on the uses of natural resources, which also cause social change. Change that take place slowly over a long period of time are referred to as evolutionary change. Change that occur comparatively quickly, even suddenly, are referred to as revolutionary changes. Social change is a broader concept. It includes all the areas of society like political, culture, economic, and physical, etc. By and large, there are five broad sources of social change. That is environmental, technological, economic, political, and cultural change. Social change can be seen in terms of structural change. Structural change refers to transformation in the structure of society to its institution or the rules by which this institution runs. Example: paper money as a currency mark major change in the organization of financial market transaction. Change in values and belief can also facilitate change. Some sociologists have offered to distinguish between endogenous change and exogenous change. It can be argued that war and concept have played an active part in bringing about major social change in society across the world. But in our society include those in which the initial impact has come from outside. Social change can depend to a great extent on the activity of various social group within the society. Environmental change भी हो सकते हैं. Environment change can bring social change into way. Destructive changes are caused by natural disaster and are often irreversible. New discovery in the environment can open up new livelihood options and lead to social change in society. Technology also alters nature in relationship. It allows us to adapt to the problem posed by nature. For example, Japan being mostly hilly and cold country developed experience practical and electronic gadgets. Industrial revolution has caused massive social change in almost all the society of the world. Use of gunpowder, paper, modes of transport, railway navigation have brought tremendous social change. The social change due to technological factors are very fast and complex. Political change due to where far between countries or kingdom can usually create immediate consequence of social change. Political change internally within the society like rejection of monarchy can bring about social change. Political change lead to redistribution of power and those bring social change in society. Pressures based and norms help organize society like the Bhakti movement, influencing social structure in middle India. Revelation of new idea can also lead to social change. For example, the idea about the position of women in society changed from ancient to modern times, leading to change in social structure. Social change occur differently in rural and urban society. Rural society are mostly agriculture based and this lack technology and specification. People are more comfortable with traditional knowledge and member of their group insist of expert. Joint family system, caste system, superstition, homogeneity and inequalities are very common in rural society. In such a society, social change is particularly very slow. Joint family system, caste system, superstition, homogeneity, and inequalities are very common in rural society. In such society, social change is particularly very slow. Urban society and mostly industrialized. There is a differentiation and stratification not only on the basis of but also caste. Heterogeneity in occupation is common. There are a variety of people and culture in a high density. The association and relationship are secondary time based. People of different class, religion, and religion live together with more tolerance. Representing in occupations common, there are variety of people and culture in high density area. The association and relationships are secondary and time based. ठीक है, अब देखिए people of different caste, religions and reasons live together with more tolerance. Urban society are slightly individualistic and characteristics segregation of groups and functions significantly. City are basically commercial hub. In such urban social change are drastic and quick. Urban society में क्या है जो social change है वो quick होंगे and social change is inevitable. Similar as society need to have a network of social control. अब देखो social चेंजेस देखने का हम इन्वायरमेंट में देखा, हमने सिटीज़ में देखा, अर्बन रूरल एरिया सब में चेंजेस देखे हमने. रिलीजियस बीफ एंड नॉर्म्स हेल्प ऑर्गेनाइज सोसाइटी लाइक भक्ति मूवमेंट, ये भी सोशल स्ट्रक्चर चेंज किया है इनमें. पॉलिटिकल चेंजेस भी देखने को मिले. तो इस तरीके से चेंजेस जो है इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन से भी चेंजेस आए. टेक्नोलॉजी रिवीजन कर रहे हैं हम चैप्टर का सोशल चेंज का. ठीक है, सोशल चेंज हम देखने के आज सारे मतलब हर स्ट्रक्चर में देखा, स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज देखा हमने. ठीक है, तो पेपर मनी है, जो करेंसी मार्केट मेजर चेंज है. ऑर्गेनाइज फाइनेंशियल मार्केट पहले किस तरह की करेंसी यूज़ करते थे, गोल्ड कॉपर, इस तरह का पेपर मनी ने भी कर चेंज किया. तो कहने का हम चेंज जो हुआ है सोशल चेंज वो कल्चर, इकोनॉमिक और फिजिकल पॉलिटिकल सब में चेंजेस देखने को मिला है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, तो इसको हम बोल सकते हैं सोशल चेंज. अब देखिए आगे सोशल ऑर्डर क्या है. सोशल ऑर्डर मीन्स सिस्टमेटिक अरेंजमेंट ऑफ सोशल स्ट्रक्चर. It help in active maintenance and reproduction of pattern of social areas. It helps society to prevent, control, regulate social change. Social order is needed for systematic function of society. Social order जरूरी systematic function करने की society का. Social order is generally the periphery of the dominant group. Hence, any change that may enter their stability in the society will be resisted by them. The oppressed group would be interested in bringing change that is favorable to them and will alter the position of dominant group. As the dominant group use social order to prevent, control, and regulate social change that alter the norms and values which are considered as accepted by them. Social order can be achieved in two ways: through acceptance, constant, and compulsion to obey. तो हम सोशल ऑर्डर इस तरीके से अचीव कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो देखिए सोशल ऑर्डर मीन्स सिस्टमेटिक अरेंजमेंट ऑफ सोशल स्ट्रक्चर को सिस्टमेटिक अरेंजमेंट देना ही सोशल ऑर्डर. इट हेल्प इन एक्टिव मेंटेनेंस एंड रिप्रोडक्शन ऑफ पैटर्न सोशल चेंज. इट हेल्प सोसाइटी प्रिवेंट, कंट्रोल, रेगुलेट सोशल चेंज. ये हेल्प करता है, रेगुलेट करता है सोसाइटी में, प्रिवेंट करता है, कंट्रोल एंड रेगुलेट सोशल चेंज को. सोशल ऑर्डर इज नीडेड फॉर सिस्टमेटिक फंक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी को करने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए, सोशल ऑर्डर होना जरूरी. ओके, तो सोशल चेंज और सोशल ऑर्डर जो है इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए. ठीक है, सोशल चेंज भी ज़रूरी है. हम देखेंगे हर चीज़ में सोशल चेंज है. ठीक है, तो और सोशल कंट्रोल मीन्स द एक्टिव मेंटेनेंस एंड रिप्रोडक्शन ऑफ पार्टिकुलर पैटर्न सोशल एंड ऑफ वैल्यूज एंड नॉर्म्स. आवर सोसाइटी इनकरेज मेंबर्स दे अबाइड बाय द सेट ऑफ रूल्स एंड नॉर्म्स ऑफ पीपल आर कंपेल्ड इन दिस वे टू ऑबे सच नॉर्म्स. कुछ नॉर्म्स, रूल्स, रेगुलेशन है उसको हमको सबको फॉलो करना होता है, सोसाइटी में रहता है. ठीक है, तो ये भी ज़रूरी है. तो हम सोशल चेंज और सोशल ऑर्डर और सोशल कंट्रोल जो हैं ये आपस में एक दूसरे से क्या है, जुड़े हुए. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू.